Alright, lots of interruptions. Alright, so the best thing to do with a crank, protect it, is put it inside of a case. So where am I going to find a case that'll fit into? Let me see. Oh, here's one. How about this one? Ooh, there's a bunch of bolt holes in this one. Somebody got carried away with bolts. So we got power tools right here. That'll do it. That'll take care of the situation. Should come apart now. Oh, it's already got a Timken bearing over here too. It's ready to go. Parts in there and everything. So make sure you hose it down with some anti-rusting material. Very important. Sucker right in there like that. Problem is the bearing's in there, so it's going to be a problem. And we have no bearing on that side either, so another problem. Makes it hard to mock it up. There's a rod in the wrong spot. No wonder it don't fit. Very important, don't have the rod sticking out the bottom of the case when you put the crank in the motor. Doesn't work very good. There's a dowel right there too. Oh, that works a lot better. Way better. What?
That torque to spec?
Yes.
That was not torque to spec.
Don't bother me. Showing them how to put a crank in a clutch flywheel without any tools.
Oh shit.
Hey, don't swear on my video.
I knew I was forgetting something.
Your brain?
I forgot the case. Case hat.
Okay, I got a case right here.
No, I forgot the
You mean the real case?
yeah.
Oh.
The side I even did a checkpoint before I left too. I'll bring you cash.
All right, here we go. Look at that. Doesn't rotate very well though.
No, because well, it looks like it's off center.
It's off center.
For one, it's leaning.
It's leaning.
Yeah.
That's an oil leak too.
Yeah.
What's up with that?
These case halves don't necessarily go together.
Oh, they don't match?
No.
Or maybe the crank's just laying in there and not bolted in.
Well, it's in there solid.
Well, it's jammed in there solid, yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody got Timken bearing over here and didn't fit through the Timken very well. Seems to be hitting on the inside the case slightly.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Makes it hard to rotate. It's really hard to put the motor together when you don't have all the parts. There's no bearing over there either, so it's okay. Look at that found. I got a tool. Will this tool work on the modern bike? I don't know. I bet you it bottoms out. It already bottoms out. I'm probably gonna take a spacer in there for doing this bike.
Yeah.
Make some new tools.
Yeah, you need like.
I don't have any tools for doing that. I'm about to make an extension piece for this thing. Yeah, the crank turn.
It don't like it.
It doesn't like it? Getting tight. Have to make a tool for doing this at some point.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's hard in your hand. Yeah, the case goes together now. Yeah, the screws aren't binding up like they were anymore. What's up with that? Well, they go a lot easier now. No, this one doesn't. Yeah, it goes a little easier. I only have a few of the bolts, not many, so it's not important. There you go. It's almost done.
You need a bearing. You're missing a bearing. Something like free play in there, bud.
It needs to be floating around a little bit.
You got a little free play in here.
Is that what that is? Replay? I'm just protecting the crank right now. I'll let it beat on the inside of the bearing surface, no bearing.
And this is the case you're cutting. Oh, you're cutting that case to put the cylinder on?
Yeah. And that one right there. But this one is an extra one now. I wasn't got in. Now it's extra. So now my crank is in a safe spot. It rotates and everything. Look how much straighter this one is than that other crank. So you don't need bearings to make stuff work. Look at this one. It's like your bike.
Oh, that's bad. Mine was worse.
Yeah.
Mine was way worse than that.
It's got racing clearance in there. Look at that.
This is
See, it's got racing clearance. There's no bearing in there. Alright, so that's protected a little bit. So I gave me a little paper rail, tool out of toilet paper, and I'll stick that around it to keep it from banging on the metal and metal. I'll put a baggie around that, and it's good and safe to keep that way for a while. You got all these extra bolts won't fit in there anymore. Alright, well there you go. That's what you do with your junk race parts till you need them.
Yep.
Now you can just figure what we're going to do with that case, because we got one over there, one over here, one there, one there. If I look a little harder, there's probably more. Alright, that's it for the buell racing season for now.
Oh, there's no motor in the bike.
What? What happened to buell? Well, that's not a buell.
Oh, you actually found time to work on the race bike. Hey, there's no motor here anymore.
What, there's no motor there?
Yeah.
What happened to that?
You've been working, huh?
I cleaned the boxes away too a little bit. There's motors over here though. There's an airplane motor.
I can't say you
Harley motor.
Working.
There's motors up there too. Race motor 1, race motor 2, race motor 3, race motor 4. And there's a flathead one over there. Back there. If you look on the floor, there might be a couple more on the floor. Mm-hmm. And you got blown up trannies over there, blown up motors there. These parts are good over here though. Got the oil pan right there. Crank is good. Got some new gears.
That's a real oil.
Got some new gears here now. So, and there we go. We're collecting parts. That's how we do it around here.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for this.